This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the ownership subcategory master data template in the property tax module. Ownership is further classified into subcategories to capture more specific ownership details. Thus, individual owners can be further classified as single owner or multiple owners. Download the data template to configure the ownership subcategory master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 5 data columns. Provide a unique ownership subcategory code. Map this code to the relevant ownership category code. Now, enter the ownership subcategory name in English. Enter the local language description for the ownership subcategory. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for ownership subcategory detail. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of ownership subcategory details. Thank you.